Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the touch screen during your guided access session on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, to get to these settings, here this is what you have to do. I'm going to end guided access first, and let's go back to the home screen. Now, first you want to launch an app that you want to use, then triple click on the side button to launch guided access. So it says guided access started already. So you want to triple click on it again. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to put in the passcode. Next, on this screen here, you tap on the options button down here, and then you tap on touch. Now you can see here, if I turn off touch, this means I have disabled touch on the screen. And then tap on done, then tap on resume. And now on the screen, you can see guided access started again, but this time I cannot touch to do anything on the screen. So exactly why you want to lock it. Sometimes it is quite useful. So you want to start playing a video and you want to give the device to your kids, for example. And if you don't want them to mess around with your phone, so all they can do is just simply watch a video on your phone, then they will not be able to touch anything. They will not be able to do anything except to watch the video. And so that is when it can become handy to use guided access. And now I'm just going to switch it off. So I'm going to touch, so I turn the touch back on and then tap on resume, and you can see now I can touch on the buttons. I can log in or do other things. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.